Good morning, students. Lesson number 7, Introduction to Microbiology. Today's subtopic, Steps involved in the process of yogurt production and cheese production. Students, in the previous video, I explained you about definition of applied microbiology and industrial microbiology. And also I explained you basic process for production of yogurt, cheese and cream is the same. Let us study today the steps involved in the process of yogurt production and cheese production. Students, yogurt is produced with the help of lactobacilli. I repeat, yogurt is produced with the help of lactobacilli. For industrial production of yogurt, condensed milk powder is mixed with milk for maintaining the protein content. Milk is boiled and once it cools to warm temperature, bacterial strains of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus delbrueckii are added to it in 1:1 proportion. Lactic acid is formed due to Streptococcus that makes the proteins to gel out that gives dense consistency to the yogurt. Acetaldehyde-like compounds are formed due to lactobacilli that gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Shelf life of yogurt and its probiotic properties can be improved by pasteurization. Nowadays, various fruit juices are mixed with yogurt to impart different flavors. For example, strawberry yogurt, banana yogurt, etc. Coming to the next, let us study first about butter. Students, there are two types of butter like sweet cream and culture are produced on large scale. When butter is made from fresh cream of milk, it is called as sweet cream butter. It will not have a sour taste. When butter is made from fermented milk, it is called culture butter. This butter has a sour taste. Means there are two types of butter. First is sweet cream butter and culture butter. If butter is made from fresh cream of milk, then it is called as sweet cream butter. And when butter is made from fermented milk, it is called culture butter. Next is cheese production. Students, cheese is produced on large scale from the abundantly available cow milk all over the world. After performing some chemical and microbiological tests, some colors and microbes like Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris and Streptococcus thermophilus. I repeat, microbes like Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris and Streptococcus thermophilus are mixed with milk to give sourness. To impart the dense structure, whey, that is water in yogurt, needs to be removed. An enzyme rennet, I repeat, an enzyme rennet obtained from alimentary canal of cattle was being traditionally used earlier. However, an enzyme protease obtained from fungi is used at present to produce vegetarian cheese. The whey is separated from yogurt. Then process of production of cheese is started. through steps like cutting the solid yogurt into pieces, washing, rubbing, salting, and mixing of essential microbes, pigments, and flavors. Then, cheese is pressed and cut into pieces and started for ripening. Ripening changes the hardness and taste of cheese. So, students, today I explained to you about steps involved in the production of yogurt and production of cheese. Question will be asked for exam. Explain the steps involved in the process of yogurt production and list down the steps involved in the production of cheese once the whey is separated from yogurt. That's all for today. Thank you.